Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best folding hinges is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving solutions for creating functional tables, whether you're building a compact dining table for a small apartment, a portable workstation for your home office, or a sturdy outdoor picnic table that can be easily stored away. This video will explore the key features, benefits, and considerations when choosing the right folding hinges for your next furniture project, ensuring your table is both durable and convenient. Number 5. Storystore Folding Shelf Brackets. These brackets are made of durable stainless steel. Their smooth surface makes folding easy, saving you space and keeping things tidy. It supports up to 150 pounds. The robust triangular design and high-quality steel ensure strength and reliability. They unfold with a gentle pull and fold up easily with a press. It's simple and convenient. Use them in your kitchen, on a barbecue cart, under your TV, or outdoors, wherever you need extra space. We perform rigorous quality checks before shipping. Our customer service team is here to help with any questions or issues. This innovative design minimizes space and avoids obstacles, making it perfect for small spaces. What we like. These brackets are incredibly strong, holding up to 150 pounds. They fold away neatly, perfect for maximizing space in smaller areas. If you need sturdy, space-saving support for shelves or tables, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Installation was a breeze, and attaching a red oak stair tread was simple. The brackets are very sturdy and easy to fold up when not in use, saving a lot of space. They hold up to 150 pounds, which gives me confidence in their reliability. Mounting holes spaced perfectly for installing on commercial shelves with keyhole slots. They are very sturdy when locked into place. The brackets are heavy-duty and everything is very secure. Number 4. Folding Shelf Brackets. It can be used in various places, such as garages, kitchens, or even boats. Transform your space with its versatility. They fold neatly against the wall when not in use, saving valuable space. Simply press the release arm to collapse it. With a strong triangle design, it can hold up to 177 pounds per pair. It's perfect for heavy-duty use. Made of high-quality metal with a black painted surface, it's built to last and resist scratches and corrosion. They are both durable and aesthetically pleasing. Everything you need for installation is included: brackets, screws, and anchors. Just follow the simple instructions for a quick setup. What we like. With its sturdy triangle design and high weight capacity of 177 pounds, it's built to last. It's also incredibly versatile, suitable for a wide range of DIY projects and applications. If you're looking for a durable and adaptable solution for your space-saving needs, this is for you. What people say. Excellent brackets for panel extensions to workbenches and table saws. Hardware is included. Very sturdy. Easy to install and use. My son built a shelf top for these, a great product in a smaller laundry room. Gives you the flexibility to have a table to fold clothes, but the space when you don't need the table to be able to put it down and still look nice. Sturdy brackets that fold smoothly. Easy to install and great for saving space. Exactly what I needed. Number 3. TopDirect Lock Extension Bracket. These brackets are perfect for adding foldable support to your furniture or DIY projects. They're made from durable, rust-resistant steel and are incredibly easy to use. It boasts a thick steel design for superior strength and reliability. The rust-proof surface treatment ensures long-lasting performance, even in demanding environments. With dimensions of 63 by 68 by 54 mm and a thickness of 2.5 mm, they are the perfect size for various applications without being bulky. They are easy to install and store. These brackets can support up to 500 pounds. They securely lock into place at a 90-degree angle, providing stable and reliable support. The unique self-locking hinges feature a built-in double spring structure. This allows for smooth and easy folding and unfolding with a simple tightening of the screws. They are ideal for a wide range of uses, from foldable tables and beds to desks, cabinets, and even folding doors. They help you keep your home and workspace organized. What we like. These brackets boast an impressive 500-pound weight capacity. The self-locking mechanism ensures stability and safety. If you need incredibly strong support for heavy-duty applications, then this is the one for you. What people say. These ones were a heavier gauge steel, and were just a tighter fit and finish, and the locking latch mechanism was easier to use. These leg hinges worked as advertised. These have worked well and held up well. I keep the bounce back in the front yard and these have been rained on and, in the elements, they seem to be holding up well and no rust. Number 2. 8 Folding Shelf Bracket. This innovative bracket is made of high-quality brushed 304 stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to daily wear and tear. It's designed to hold up to 220 pounds. Its unique hinge locks at 90 degrees, making it perfect for small spaces. The spring mechanism ensures smooth and easy opening and closing. This bracket's compact design allows for flexible placement in various settings, from kitchens and bathrooms to workshops and even boats. It's incredibly versatile. The package includes all the necessary screws and anchors for easy installation. No need to source additional hardware, everything you need is included. Use it to create a custom shelf, workbench, or anything else you can imagine. It helps to keep your home organized and adds a touch of style. What we like. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's built to resist scratches and corrosion. The smooth, easy-to-use mechanism makes folding a breeze. If you prioritize durability and ease of use in a compact design, this is perfect for you. What people say. Easy to install and adapt. We bought these to add to our TV cabinet when we bought a larger TV. Worked perfectly. We also used one to add to a cabinet in our RV for extra space. Well built and somewhat easy to install. Used it to install a drop leaf countertop. Brackets are well made, the screws that come with the unit are soft and easily stripped. I currently have about 60 pounds of tools on the 2 brackets and they are holding strong. Number 1. WANLIAN Folding Table Legs. These sturdy, space-saving legs are perfect for any room. They're made of galvanized metal and can support up to 230 pounds. They're constructed from strong metal for lasting use. The dark bronze finish complements any decor. With a simple press, they fold away neatly. The self-locking hinge ensures stability and safety when in use. Use them in kitchens, workshops, or even RVs. They're ideal for creating extra workspace or folding away tables and furniture. They're great for adding foldable functionality to your own custom furniture. Easily attach them to tables, beds, or workbenches. Each pair can support up to 230 pounds. Remember, load capacity may vary depending on the application. What we like. These stylish brackets offer a strong self-locking mechanism for added safety and stability. They hold up to 230 pounds, making them ideal for a variety of applications. If you value safety, strength, and a touch of elegance, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. The hinges are tight when you get them. I placed one flange in a vise and was able to get them moving, added a bit of WD-40 and they remain tight but move well. I have not installed them yet but the tight axles appear to be by design to keep the table legs from being wobbly. These are pretty good. No real complaints. Seem fairly well made, they have a wider footprint than most where you bolt to the table, so that should help with toughness of the mount. Heavy duty and so easy to install and operate. Excellent for the price. I'm loving my fold-down craft table. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.